Right, this isn't going to be easy to film, but I'm putting it round half the neck. And I'm coming to about 15 inches on the front. So it's like about 6 inches across those two hearts, roughly, if you see what I mean. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hearts divided by 2 is 5.5 times 6. If you know what I mean. So yeah, it is quite wide, and I've done it on a 4mm needle as well because I thought my stitching would be quite loose, and I had put an extra thread in it, but no, it's fits perfectly well. In fact, actually it's slightly tight on around my chest, which is about 44, 43, 44. But yeah, it's something like, once you've knitted it up around here, it's quite wide. Because like I say, you use it, when you're knitting, you use the thumb method. You wrap it around your thumb and put the needle through the thumb and sort of not do it too loosely, but that's the kind of edging you get, you see. So that's why I was a bit concerned at first, because the neckline looked small like on the charts, but I do my neckline 20, the 20-inch neckline is that 20-inch neckline cast on 90 stitches is that, and that's bigger. So everybody else, I've asked everybody else to test it, and they're coming back similar things. Although it has a smaller stitch count around there for the neckline, perhaps on a 17.5 or less than that, is coming up and it's sitting like a boat neck. So it is working. In fact, one of the girls said it was slightly too big on hers, but then I have a crochet stitch which can pull that in. Now you see the red one here, that was done on a 4.5mm needle. That was my prototype, and it's pretty much the same. Nice and comfortable actually. And that one was done on a 4mm, but that was with a double knit and fingering, so it looks a bit tighter on that. So yeah, knitting crochet is going to be different though, isn't it? And dependent on, like we said, what your tension, your gauge is, then that will determine what you're going to get with knitting crochet, I think, personally. Anyway, that's it, I'm afraid.